Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing these AUROPOLA LED headlights. We're going to be installing them in the headlight assemblies for the 2010 Dodge Charger that's on the channel. If you have a Dodge Charger and you'd like to see what all we've done with it, there's a playlist in the description below. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got. Got some fancy gloves. Got an instruction manual. And as you can see here, we've got 4 LED bulbs. That's because this is the high beam and the low beam, which is 9005 and 9006. Not sure what the double-sided tape's all about. Alright, these are labeled. This is the 9005. So this side is the 9005 and this is the 9006. Alright, you can see the fan right here. This is a one-piece construction all the way from here to here. This is a plastic ring. These do have a 2-year warranty on them. So we're going to go ahead and open the assemblies and go ahead and match these up and get them installed. One thing you want to know is the orientation of the LED bulb. You want them running straight up and down. Yeah, you can definitely tell they're on, they're off.